XRP holders, get ready now. I always get ready for Miles G. But the most important factor is he made a quick announcement on the price, and he was actually correct because he called the crypto bear market or the flash crash we saw. He said it was just a small drop. And guess what? He was right. He was right. We did see a small drop for XRP, and it suddenly rallied. So what's next for XRP? That is the big question right now.
This whole week, the only coin that hasn't moved is XRP.
And that's normal because XRP has been up 300% last year. So while other coins are going up, it is normal because I feel like it's going to join an altcoin hype cycle.
XRP is about to get a massive capital rotation. You cannot believe it. We have an XRP ETF coming. They're cutting rates. It's going to be absolutely crazy. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you love XRP, and stick around. You guys cannot miss what I have in store for you today. So XRP, look at this bull flag here. XRP has broken out of this pattern all the way since the 12th of August, which is yesterday. So we've broken out, we've retested multiple times, and now the breakout is just waiting for the next leg up.
So a lot of people miss about the breakout is that the breakout isn't until $3.9. $4.1 when there's a new support level. So there's going to be a massive hard part to actually break to $4.1. But the first, breaking out from $3.3 to $3.9 is way easier than the 20-cent gains and 10-cent gains. We're going to push it $4. That's going to be the hardest part. We already reached 3.66 for XRP, but going to all-time highs like $4 or $5 is going to be the hard part.
And the target for this particular pattern, we are just going to measure from this particular move here to the breakout level, and that is going to get us close to $4. This is just the minimum conservative target that I think XRP can reach here in the short term. When XRP starts to break out with volume, and we start to break out above these highs here around $3.40, $3.70, when we start to break out around here, this is when it shows that volume has pushed up to this level, and we're gonna go absolutely bananas. So you guys better lock in. We were able to buy XRP even to the very lows here. If you guys join my private community, you are going to get alerts when I'm buying and selling, as I make millions of dollars a year trading crypto. So you guys can copy and follow.
So yeah, this is when he called that XRP is going to bottom. I don't feel like we're going to see $2 for anytime soon, because whenever I see someone saying I'll buy $2, the whales will already get it at $2.5. This is why XRP is reaching new highs, is because it's building support levels very fast. So it's looking very good for XRP right now, because right now people are still buying it at above $3 range, which is 6 times more than it was a year ago.
Discovery is going to go absolutely crazy. Solana, look at this. Solana has recovered the entire dip. We are back to $200. So in my opinion, we are probably going to see $300 for Solana very soon. The stock market made new all-time highs today. I mean, everything is extremely bullish. Look at Bitcoin dominance. We have finally, as I told you all, we've reached our target and we have lost this key support. So Bitcoin dominance is now officially in a downtrend, and in a very strong downtrend. So we should see this key support here around 54% for Bitcoin dominance. We are starting to see the strength of altcoins wake up, and it's getting absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh, look at the gain. So OKB up 134% this week. Ray up 40%, Arrow 80%. I mean, the majority of altcoins are up 10, 20, 30%.
So everything except XRP is up this week. And I feel like it's deserved. Not because I hate XRP, but because we have been seeing XRP grow when all these were down, red. And now the tables have turned. I feel like some of the whales, in my opinion, probably sold a small amount. Like maybe they sold like 20% of their holdings to buy altcoins. This is a very possible scenario. This is what they usually do. They get money so they can actually pump other altcoins and buy other stuff and make more money.
This week, Aave up, Pump Fund token up, OP up, ENA up, Chainlink up, Theta I mean, guys,
XRP is still here. It's still green. So it's still 10% up. It's literally like a top 4 crypto, and it gives the same amount of returns except like these 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want to call them, like Link, as other tokens. Like it gives same returns as Pepe, Jupiter, Bitcoin. Like it's same returns as Bitcoin. So it's not really that down. Like people were saying XRP is down. It's not. It's right here below. People just don't notice it because they were seeing all-time highs, 20% gains. Everything was red. XRP was the only one green. We had days like that.
it is going to get absolutely crazy. A lot of these meme coins, in my opinion, have not moved yet. Dogecoin, Pepe, Dog with Hat, a lot of these meme coins, ladies and gentlemen, they have not moved much. And guess what? They're going to start to wake up. When Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, that's when altcoins and meme coins start to go absolutely crazy. You guys are not prepared for how bullish this market truly is. And I mean, guys, take a look at this. Look at Algo Sniper gave you guys a buy alert when Bitcoin finally bottomed, and look at this massive move. You guys got a sell alert at the previous all-time highs before it crashed. You guys should also check out this indicator, which you guys can try today for free. It's actually for free today. It's no longer $1. It's actually free. The link for everything I'm mentioning.
So yeah, it seems like XRP is still, people being worried about only going up 5%. You got to stay realistic. We saw the prices drop very heavily for XRP during, 50 to 20 cents and people sold. I'm not telling you this in the video is not financial advice, but for me, it's very clear that XRP still is going to join the altcoin rally. Right now, it's Ethereum in the wins and some Bitcoin, but I still feel like XRP is going to join other altcoins. It's still that. It still has, retail coming in, and it's a top 3 crypto. Top 3. And it could be still undertapped. At least, that's what whales do. They're still buying massive amounts. Just 2 weeks ago, they bought a few million, which is a very strong amount.